Hey, what's up? So it's Rock and Roll Friday, and I thought maybe we should learn a song. Today, we're learning one of the greatest songs from one of the greatest rock bands. I say that probably every time, but I sincerely mean it, because what I've kind of realized is that all the songs that I'm showing and teaching and stuff are really songs of the soundtrack of my life and stuff. These are songs that I love, man. These are great songs in my estimation. So today, one of the greatest bands when I was growing up, around my son's age, 14 right now, man, I loved AC/DC. They were everything to me, you know? They were so great, and that guitar and the way it would just freaking cut right through my mind, you know what I mean? This is the best song. All you women who want men on the street, you don't know where you want to turn. But come in and put your head on to me. The one's gonna make you run. Gonna take you down. Get down, down, down. So don't you fool around. Gotta pull it, pull the trigger. Play to kill. Too many women, too many things said. Yeah, play to kill. I'm really gonna fly away, yeah. Right? Started out with an A, right? You're barring, yeah, the D, G, and B, and you're not really letting that ring. You don't want to hear that. So this is what it sounds like. That's your A. That's their chord. That's the chord in Highway to Hell. The chord in a lot of their songs are in the key of A. So, anyways, a lot of songs, period, are in the key of A. But I digress. Let's learn the song. So we start out with an A, and then you take your middle finger and you hit the A string on the 3rd fret, and then you hit your ring finger on the 4th fret A string, and then you hit another A. But you kind of have to do it fast, and if you do it fast, it sounds like you're muting the E string with the thumb. It's an important part. You gotta learn it. You gotta hit it nice too. Now that's easy now, okay? So after you hit that, you go right into a G, one strum, into a D, back into a G, back into a D, and then now into an A. So you're hitting the A, and you're bringing your ring finger in on the A string, 4th fret, and back to a G, D, G, D, A, D, D, A, G, D, G, D, A. The next part is I'm gonna take you down, and that's C, G, C. I'm gonna take you down. Stay on the C. Down, down, down. Now it's D, A, D, E. Pull off your middle finger to make E7 and go back and forth with that. So, I'm gonna take you down. Get down, down, down. So don't you fool around. I've gotta pull the trigger. Now you drop into an A, shoot, thrill, G, D, shoot, thrill, good, man. Oh my God. I can't play that song without feeling good. So where we at? Verse. Now, you know what? You can't see this, but you can now. I'll show you this. We're palm muting each time we make a strum. And it kind of softens the guitar so that your voice get through, right? Pull the trigger, pull it, and then they just go into an instrumental. Now, that really beautiful part of the song when it cuts out and you just hear the guitar. I'm sweating my ass off here. Oof. Okay, so when you hear the part in the what do you call that? The bridge or the interlude? I don't know. But anyways, that part when they're going and there's no music, they're doing this. They're going. You accomplish that by 7th fret D string, sounding like this, and open A string. Drop your pointer in on the 5th fret, same string, D string, and of course you're muting the top E string the whole time with your thumb. Now you jump over one string, you drop your ring finger on the G string, and now you play the D string and the G string open. Not open, the fretted 7th fret on the G string and the open D string. Is it the greatest AC/DC song of all time? You got all the parts in 13 minutes. It's a little long, but it's 13 mins all in one go.